Hello, TumbleWeed. TumbleWeed, you working that thing in Honolulu, TumbleWeed? TumbleWeed, you working it out in Honolulu? Hello, TumbleWeed, ModSquad, right back. Hello, TumbleWeed, ModSquad, right back with you too there, TumbleWeed. ModSquad, Honolulu said your turn right there, come on. Contact TumbleWeed as you do your thing in Honolulu. TumbleWeed, ModSquad, Mobile. TumbleWeed, ModSquad, Mobile. Put it where you can get it. TumbleWeed, ModSquad. Say you got the hammer down. Hello, TumbleWeed, you got the hammer down there. Come on down. Right there, Dr.Bone. Dr.Bone, he don't sound too good right there, Dr.Bone. Dr.Bone, ModSquad said you got it going on right there, Dr.Bone. Dr.Bone, ModSquad. Dr.Bone, ModSquad is right back in your radio. Aloha. Number 10 right there, number 10. I'm not trying to hurt 220. I'm not trying to hurt 220. I'm just talking to my radio. Hey, number 10, ModSquad, Mobile. Number 10, ModSquad, Mobile. Back to you. Aloha. I'll see you 10. I'll see you 10 because you're doing the same in Honolulu. Hey 10, you're doing the same in Honolulu, number 10, and I just want to let you know. Take it, number 10, be ModSquad, Mobile, cruising the mini grass. Number 10, ModSquad, Mobile, cruising the mini grass. Aloha.
Right back while you're cruising mini grass, ModSquad, take it easy, take care. Tell the sweet one we say hello, hallelujah. ModSquad, I'll see you.
And I'll see you too. I'll see you too. I'll see you too, number 10. Bye. Bye.
I think he's mad with you, man. Take that sucker, 220.
Bye, AppleJack. AppleJack ModSquad said bye too, AppleJack. AppleJack ModSquad said bye to you too there. Take it, AppleJack ModSquad said bye to you too, AppleJack. Aloha. Hello there.
Hey, you working it out real good, ModSquad, big.
Yeah, just messing around there. I can play a little bit, then I gotta meet the pretty one.
Yeah, Roger. Hey, ModSquad, have fun, go get them. Lots of work there, we'll be on the site.
Okay, check there.
If things go good, probably be going to Genki there, so I'll let you know what's going on. We'll be on the site. Aloha.
All right, did you hear about yesterday with all the big cars line up over here?
Yeah, I heard about it. I went bowling with Water Bug last night. Oh, God.
Oh, yeah. Pretty good there. 4 pills can hang in there real nice.
Yeah, roger that, yeah. All righty, ModSquad, take care, and we'll see you later on. We're cruising the mobile, we're back out.
Okay, we see you then. We out. AppleJack ModSquad, see you too, AppleJack. AppleJack ModSquad, see you too, AppleJack. AppleJack ModSquad, Mobile, Honolulu. Bye. Hello, Taboo. Taboo, I go wave at you also, Taboo. Hey, Taboo, I go wave to you for for water bug in Honolulu also, man. Take it, Taboo in the swamp, Mod Squad, Honolulu.
Right, you're Mr. ModSquad. I just want to mud it down and let you know you're sounding real good. Mr. ModSquad, Taboo in the swamp with this little hammer down is reading your mail.
Right back, Taboo. You got that hammer down nice, man. You got good audio too there. Take it, Taboo in the swamps. You enjoy the day from Mod Squad in Honolulu. Take it, AppleJack. You guys have a good one too. Be Mod Squad Mobile, Honolulu. Right back. Read the mail.
You're right on, Mr. ModSquad.
All right, you take it, Taboo. I hear SwitchBlade waving too. Take it, SwitchBlade. I wave at you also. SwitchBlade around Wolf Lake, Taboo in the swamp. You take care. Mod Squad right back. Mod Squad right back in Honolulu. Back cruising. Aloha. Bye, Taboo. Taboo, you said hello to everybody right there, Taboo. You said hello to SwitchBlade. You said hello to each and every one, Taboo. Mod Squad Mobile. Take it, SwitchBlade, Taboo. Mod Squad in Honolulu. Checked in. Mod Squad Mobile gone. And here I come again, Taboo, because you up in front, Taboo. Taboo, you up in front in my radio. Take it, Taboo, Mod Squad Mobile, Taboo, Mod Squad Mobile. Read the mail.
Hey, Mod Squad, I bumped it down because you up in front in my radio. Hey, Mod Squad, Taboo say I bumped it down because you up in front there. I can't tell Mod Squad what you did because he's not talking to me. I don't think he can hear my radio. He's talking at 222. They say, please, late.
Bye, Taboo. Bye, Taboo. You walking and talking. Take it, Taboo. Enjoy the day. Mod Squad Mobile with the check-in. Have a good one now. You too there. Also, SwitchBlade, man. SwitchBlade, Mod Squad got a lot of rubbish in my radio. Hello, SwitchBlade. You take care on your end also. Mod Squad in Honolulu.
Anyway, Mod Squad, you're trying to get me to pass you a pass. But right now, you got that hammer down around Wolf Lake, no doubt about it. Hey, Mod Squad,
I heard that, Taboo.
SwitchBlade got down.
Right back, SwitchBlade. SwitchBlade, man, I'm right here, man, listening to you. SwitchBlade, Taboo want to say hello to you too, man. I'll just roll the 5 back and forth. I know you wanted to say hello to Taboo also, but tell the Good Time Gang on the Big Island, I'm not trying to hurt nobody. I'm not trying to hurt nobody. I'm just talking to my radio. Mod Squad is right back. Right back. You got that hammer down. You got the hammer down, man. Everybody doing their thing. Every now and then I hear all of you come in here, and then I don't hear nothing but bees, man. Take care of that, Taboo. I don't know if Freight Train is out there. You have a good one too, Freight Train. And take care once again, SwitchBlade, because you're doing your stuff. SwitchBlade, Mod Squad, Honolulu, right back. Reading this mail. Right back, SwitchBlade, Wolf Lake, SwitchBlade, Wolf Lake, SwitchBlade, Wolf Lake, right there. I talk to you, because that's what's going on. SwitchBlade, Wolf Lake, Mod Squad in Honolulu, right back. The video gate running. Aloha. Bye, Taboo. Bye, Taboo. I'll look at you also, Taboo. I'm looking at you also. Take it, Taboo. Taboo, have a good one in the swampland, Taboo. Taboo, Mod Squad. Taboo, Mod Squad. Here we go. Aloha.